Hello to all students. Today we are going to discuss again class 10th science book chapter 2nd human system, and today's topic is blood group. Students, in class 10th science book chapter immunity, all of you studied blood group, and in this chapter again repeat blood group topic. So first of all, introduction of blood groups. First is described by Carl Landsteiner in 1900. So first is described of blood groups by Landsteiner. Second is human blood groups is abiotype. Once again, human blood group is abiotype. Abio, it means blood group A, blood group B, both A and B, it means blood group AB, and fourth is blood group O. Next is types of blood group on the basis of antigen. Once again, types of blood group on the basis of antigen. Blood group mostly type is 4, like blood group A, blood group B, blood group AB, and blood group O. First of all, blood group A. In this blood group, first is antigen is A. It means blood group A people or blood group A person to have antigen A. Next, students, antigen located on RBC surface. It means blood group A people to have antigen A. Second, antibody in blood group A is B. Students, antibody located in blood plasma. Blood plasma is a part of blood, approximately or about 55% part blood forms by blood plasma. Next is genotype. It means genetic constitution. Blood group A have two genotype. First is IA. Second is IA I0 or IA I0. First genotype, second. Next is donate to. Blood group A, people donate blood to blood group A and AB. Next, receive from or can take. It means can do. Blood group A and O. So first is blood group A. Next is blood group B. First of all is antigen is B. Students, antigen located on RBC surface. Next, antibody located in blood plasma is A. Next is genotype is IB. Second is IB-I0 or IB-I0. It means blood group B to have two genotype. Next, can do blood or donate to blood group B and AB. Next, can take from or receive from B and O. This is blood group B. Third is blood group AB. First is antigen in blood group AB is both A and B. Students, antigen are located on RBC surface. Next, antibody located in blood plasma, absent. Next is genotype of blood group AB is only single genotype IA-IB. Students, I, it is a gene to control human blood group. Next is can do to or donate to AB. Next, can take from or receive from blood group A, B, AB and O. So blood group AB is universal receptor. Once again, blood group AB is universal receptor because antibody absent in blood plasma. So blood group AB is universal receptor. Next, fourth is blood group O. First is antigen is absent. It means blood group O people is antigenless. Next, antibody in blood group O is both A and B. Next is genotype I0, 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 I0 यानी सिंगल जीनोटाइप. Next is can do to or donate to. Blood group A, B, AB and O. Once again, can do, blood group A, B, AB and O. Next, can take from or receive from O only. So blood group O is universal receptor, universal donor, because antigen absent in RBC surface. Once again, blood group AB is universal receptor because antibody absent in blood plasma of blood group AB. Next is blood group O is universal donor. It means donate to all blood groups people because antigen absent in RBC surface. Next is RH antigen. It is also an RH factor. First of all, it means human to have antigen A, B and to have another or other antigen RH. Once again, human have antigen A, B and other antigen RH. First of all, discovered in macaca, rhesus monkey. In rhesus word, first two letter is RH, so this antigen nomenclature on the basis of rhesus, first two letter, so this antigen is called RH antigen. Next is location or position. Students, blood group related all antigens are located on RBC surface. So RH antigen related to blood, so located on RBC surface. RBC surface or surface of RBC. It means red blood corpuscles, other name erythrocytes. Next is when RH antigen present. So it is called RH positive. In word, 80% people RH positive, but according to immunity chapter, 85% RH positive people in world. Next is when RH antigen absent, so it is called RH negative. In word, about 20% people is RH negative, but according to class 10th immunity chapter, 15% people is RH negative. So today's topic is completed. Students, today we studied blood group and blood groups types, especially some specific antigen in blood group related. For example, blood group A, blood group to have antigen A, some other antigen like B, RH. So we say human have three blood group, three antigens like blood group A, blood group antigen A, antigen B, and RH antigen. If blood group A people antigen A and RH positive, if blood group A people to have antigen A but did not have RH antigen. Once again, if blood group A people to have antigen A, to have both antigen A and RH antigen, so it is called A positive. But some people to have antigen A but did not have RH antigen, so it is called A negative. Second, in blood group B people to have antigen B, but some people to have both antigen B and RH, so it is called B positive. But some people to have only single antigen B and did not have RH antigen, so it is called B negative. Next, third is blood group AB people to have both antigen A and B, but some people to have, some blood group AB people to have antigen A, B and RH, so they are called AB positive. But some people to have only antigen A and B, both or both A and B, it means did not have RH antigen, it is called AB negative. Next, in blood group O is antigenless. Some blood group O people to have a single RH antigen, so it is called O positive. Some people to have both antigen, both antigen A and B did not have, and did not have antigen RH, it means RH negative, they are O negative. Once again, Blood group O people did not have antigen A, B and Rh, so they are called O negative. So thanks, have a nice day.